Hey guys, so just a real quick video. I got the Peak Design field pouch here, and I've loaded it with some cables, chargers, things like that. Have it closed down basically as small as it goes, and let me show you how it fits into the everyday backpacks. So first off, the 20-liter everyday backpack, as you can see, goes in pretty easily on the top here. Keep in mind, if you have a lot of stuff in here, this will be a little bit harder to close. And of course it fits in here and here. Now here, you have a little bit less width there, so it sticks out a little bit more. That could still close, but you're going to be pushing it down a lot harder to do that. Here is the 30-liter backpack. Fits very easily in the top. You almost have room to fold that up, not quite. But the nice thing here is you have a lot more space here, so if you have this packed, that closes no problem. Of course it fits here and here. Here, you have a little bit less width to work with, but still goes in nicely. Doesn't stick out nearly as much as it does on the 20-liter pack. And this still closes very nicely. So how does this work if you have more stuff in the pouch and maybe you have it closed all the way at the top like that? Well, it's not that much different. Depending on how you have your shelves organized, you might have to angle it. Even on the 30-liter backpack, I don't have enough depth here to put this in, so I do have to angle it. Or of course I can put it in flat like that, and that closes no problem. On the 20-liter backpack, same thing. I have to angle this to get it in the side, or I can of course lay it flat up top like that. So there you go, that is the field pouch by Peak Design. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.